Hey guys, it's JSH and welcome back to the Happy Side of YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make super cool DIY Jell-O Easter surprise egg. For this DIY, you're going to be needing some eggs, Jell-O, some water, and you are also going to be needing some bowls, a cup, and some scissors. The first step to this DIY is hollowing out our egg. To keep the egg in place, I used a jar and I just put the little egg on top of it so it wouldn't move around while I was using a pair of scissors to make the hole in the top of the egg. Once you think the hole in the egg is big enough, you can start pouring the contents of the egg into a container and you could save it for cooking. And after you've done that, you want to wash out all of your eggs and then put them in a bowl. And now we are going to pour boiling water so we can kill all the germs that are living in the eggs. And make sure the water is over 200 degrees. I used a cooking thermometer to check it. And then you want to submerge each egg in the hot water for 3 minutes. And now I'm going to set that aside because we are going to start the Jell-O. I decided to make every color of the rainbow, but you totally could do one color or all your favorite colors. Pour your Jell-O packets into your bowl or bowls if you're making multiple colors like me. And add 1 cup of water for every 6 ounces of Jell-O. The normal packet of Jell-O has 6 ounces, so just follow this recipe. And you don't want to follow the one on the box because this will make a different texture of Jell-O that you guys will see later. Then you want to pour every Jell-O into your eggs and then put them in a container and refrigerate them for 3 hours. This is what the egg looks like after the Jell-O settled in the fridge. And I decided to start chipping off the egg from the side that we didn't pour the Jell-O in, so it looks seamless and just like a normal egg. And this is what they look like, you guys. They look super cool, and you can probably even use this as a prank or just kind of a fun craft to do if you're bored during spring break. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you should definitely subscribe and hang out with me later today. I love you guys so much. See you later. Bye.